was wondering if that's
I was doing like this.
Wait, I'm trying to see if it's...
Robot.
Yeah.
What's going on with it? Hold on. What's up, FizzFam Loyals? How you guys doing?
Queen Amy in the house.
Queen Gabby.
Hope you guys are doing good.
Queen Anna.
As you guys can see, all of us queens are together again for you guys. Okay, so we're here because we're going to be doing a taco mukbang, guys. Okay, so get ready to enjoy the show. And before we get started, you guys know what we love to do. Our little healthy song. Okay, so y'all ready? Y'all got those voices clear, throats clear, and everything. I think so.
Yes.
That face
All right.
though. That face though.
Okay, so y'all ready? So here we go. Forgot how it start. I was gonna stop it and start all over because I don't even know where I'm at right now. But okay, well I'm ready. I am ready. That's like a behind the scenes blooper, but you guys get to see that up front, okay?
Yes.
All right, so y'all ready? Here we go. And we'll always be loyal. You can call us Queen Fizz, and baby we'll rule. Let us fizz that fantasy. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, guys. We was practicing our soprano voices. So we're gonna see who can sound, but we still having soprano issues here. I'm not a soprano. I'm really an alto.
I'm alto.
But let's see if anybody can. Let's see if we can raise a voice here. Okay. I'm dead.
I have to force it because I can't. I'm not.
Nah.
Okay.
I got tickled. I'm sorry. I am an alto. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Okay, so our food is getting colder and colder.
Yes,
so
right,
we're gonna say the grace first.
I did
so
last
it's
time.
between Celia and Nana's
Okay, let's
turn.
go.
Because I prayed and she prayed.
Doesn't matter. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Eeny, meeny, miny, miny. Bow your heads and close your eyes.
I'm going to do this for my food that I'm about to receive to nourish my body, and I pray for less fortunate, and I hope that they have something to eat out there, and that we have something on the table to eat for us too. Amen.
Amen.
Great
Great job. Amen. Glory, 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 glory. Yes.
All right. Okay. So
we got the soft tacos. So we got to make our tacos, guys.
I did. All right. Celia got 2 soft tacos. Mary got 1 hard and 1 soft.
Why do they not feel so?
And I want a soft.
They feel soft.
Thank you.
I want a stove.
I want a hard and a soft.
Me too.
Stuck together.
I'm not hard.
I gotta get all the hards. Okay, so mine's up first.
You know what to do, Mary.
I'm gonna fill my hard one up with potatoes.
I want Chaz too.
I'll call it the potato
Oh, now I'm gonna put
salad.
some potato salad in her taco.
I'm gonna put
I want Chaz.
Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm putting
Matter of fact, I'm just gonna put some
meat in here first. Let me hurry up so everybody can get theirs.
I can use my fork.
Yeah, you can go ahead and I guess everybody can kind of get a little bit and put it in there.
I'm supposed to do that with a fork.
But let at least one person. I mean, I'm thinking 2 people maybe at the most. And then we're not going to fill them up to the top, y'all. Just a little meat at the bottom. Y'all don't have to be loading them up to the top. It's not that
only 2
serious.
people at a time.
You're going to have to wait, Celia. Let me get out the way here.
Best one.
Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way.
Move out the way, move out the way.
Get out the
Okay.
way.
Let me help you out, darling.
You have to wait.
I'll help you out.
I go ahead and eat my
Win,
taco.
win.
That's
I want
very
chest
blank.
too.
You either whip me
You want
or
who?
Miss
Yes.
me. Hey,
You
Cheese.
either whip
Yes.
me
Yeah, everybody
or-
eats cheese.
Wait.
I thought you said chicks before.
Yeah, she did. She just
Cereal.
said it all awkward. This meat is really going down.
You want?
That's why we eating it really sparingly.
Mhm.
Oh, wait, no, this one.
Oh, that should be good, mommy.
Which one you put in the potato? That one?
Yes.
Oh,
what
okay.
she
Say
said.
the
She
best
gave me this
one.
one.
Say the best one.
Say the
Mary
best
needs
for last.
Yes.
That's why I said
Okay.
I'll wait.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can do what you gotta do. Cheese is next,
Put
guys.
it on next to you.
For all the mouths in here.
You know what to do.
Just throw some on the floor for all the mouths.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I hope you guys are doing good and in a good place.
Yeah.
Hope everybody's had a great day today.
Yeah, guys.
This Sabbath Saturday.
Yeah,
I
guys.
thank you
This,
guys for tuning in and watching
this-
us yet again
Yeah, smash the
for
like button.
another mukbang.
And also comment what you guys had. We always want to hear what you guys had for your meal, dinner, whatever, or finger food, whatever you might have had. You want cheese, right?
Yeah, this satisfying Saturday.
Satisfying Saturday. I love that.
Oh, satisfying Saturday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
pretty cool.
satisfying.
I always try to think of something for
Yeah.
Saturday, and satisfying Saturday is perfect.
You're going to use your fork, probably. Lesser meat.
I'll let you put your cheese on there, Miriam.
Yeah, everybody. Have a satisfying Saturday.
You want to do that?
Okay, so guys, we got the cheese. I usually have some spinach or something, but we are low on spinach, but I think it's enough in there.
Oh, it is some spinach in there.
Yeah,
Sour cream.
I'll grab it.
I love sour cream.
I do like my spinach in my tacos.
My sour cream.
So wait for the niceness to come. Get even better.
Okay, so, alrighty. Sour cream, she wants sour cream. This is, what is it called? Beyond Beef, Beefy Crumblers.
Sour cream.
Vegan beefy crumblers. This is not meat, guys. Okay, this is not meat.
You done?
We are
Yeah,
pescatarians
no, the meat.
making vegan moves.
That's right.
The meat feet.
You said you want this?
No.
Okay. So Miriam, she got to go ahead
You
and
can
let me
sit
know
that
what
over
she
here because I want the sour cream too.
Okay.
Yes. Final.
So we're making up our tacos, guys.
Yeah,
We're
we
getting
got.
down to the
we
final frontiers.
We zested it down.
Yes. Gonna have to get some more
Yeah, I'm gonna
spinach.
have
I'm going to
Okay.
put the cheese in the middle.
So
Cheese
I'm
in
gonna
the
put my
middle,
cream. I haven't put mine on. Ah.
I like my cheese in the middle. In the middle. I like my cheese in the middle.
Sour cream, guys.
She likes her cheese in the meadows. Sounds about right.
Oh, mom skips around in the middle and eating cheese.
Silly.
La 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 la. I love this cheese.
Alrighty.
Almost done, guys.
Yes,
Where's she
we
getting
just trying to get it all made up.
Yappity yap.
So we can do our thumbnail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I have 2 hearts and 1 soft one.
What are you talking about?
I have one hard and one soft.
I can't eat my meat.
I have the hardest
on,
one
y'all
and the
stop
softest one.
We were doing it. What?
I'm taking my meat.
Okay, eat it.
Okay, so I am done with
You
this.
eating off your
You
plate?
No.
No, I said
said you wanted that. It's near you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. And
I don't think I'll have one of each.
guacamole. Ooh.
Yes, what I've been
Why
waiting
do it
for.
look like that?
Yes, I'm waiting for
Is
it.
it edible like that still?
Already? You
What?
haven't ate anything?
When it look like that?
I don't know.
I guess I'm not even.
Is that safe to eat still, Mom?
You say something to me?
Yeah, is that still safe to eat like that?
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. It just looks like creepy when it was dark like that.
Mommy, it's guacamole. What do you expect it to be?
Yes, guys. So got some delicious guacamole.
It upper-handed we go.
that.
God.
Ooh,
Seriously.
that looks so good.
Wonky. It's alright.
She's wondering about the guacamole because it is dark, but that's what the guacamole does. It turns dark, but it's not bad.
Yes.
It's not spoiled or
It's
anything
delicious.
like that. So I don't blame her one bit for wondering if this
Guacamole?
is okay.
It's taken over by E.T.
Those who eat guacamole would understand that.
Poop right E.T. Guacamole.
E.T.
Okay, look. If you like E.T., he's your partner.
It's up to you guys if you eat it or not. It's totally up to you.
Yum. I've been waiting for all this whole time.
All this whole time.
Okay, so do you want guacamole or no? You good?
No, thank you.
Anybody else?
No, thank you.
Okay, so you can put yours on your own self.
Yeah, you're big enough here. You're big enough to do anything.
Okay, so guys, we're about to get started
Yes, guys.
because we have got to
Hurry up.
go ahead and start eating. Yes.
I'm starving already.
Sometimes it takes a minute, but we are getting there.
Oh, yeah, my potato salad.
Okay.
I am done and I am ready. And I will be waiting for whoever else.
I'm ready to grab it.
Nobody know.
Okay, guys, so
I'm eating potato salad on the side of mine.
Me too.
Of mine.
this is how mine look, guys. Y'all see that?
Okay, you can get some when I
Excuse
finish.
me?
I got my spinach and everything all set.
Oh, go ahead while I'm doing it.
No.
Yum, yum.
No.
Okay. And I have two things. I still be having my ginger ale in my water, guys. Okay.
Water and Capri Sun.
Yum.
I have my life
All
water.
right, so. Alrighty.
Wow, we've
We
already
got a little
decorating.
bit left. We got just enough. Just enough.
Man, just enough.
Almost done putting my sour cream on.
Just enough for you to join.
You eating out of the thing? Okay, be careful because you look like you about to drop that on the floor down in your lap. Ooh.
Right. Can't sit on the table and dig out of it.
Yeah, she's taking a
Right
little
here.
while. Let me go ahead and help you, baby, so we can get crunk here. Guys, we are almost done. Is that enough? You want more?
That's enough.
Okay.
I must get ready for my greatest invention.
Everybody give it to you.
Everybody was just swapping.
That's a, yeah.
Guys, I'm getting ready for my greatest invention of tacos. Wait.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Okay.
Alrighty, guys.
Who's done here?
So we're about to do our thumbnail, guys.
The whole entire time.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yes.
Oh, wait. Gabby got to
Putting my
finish putting her
spinach
spinach on.
Gotta finish putting.
I'll just wait on everybody to finish. I made my.
Oh, you wanted that too?
Yes.
What's wrong?
No, I'm just looking.
Go ahead and get your taco, potato salad taco. That is different.
Right.
You're eating
Not
potato
too
salad
much.
by itself?
She's making a mess. Ooh, she's dropping tacos. I mean, potato salad. You want a little bit more? Or you okay?
Oh wait, I'm seeing a little bit. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Wow, that is so
You're
different.
eating it by itself?
I
Alright,
have
thought you
never
were gonna eat it mixed.
ever seen that before.
Well, you can't do like that.
So you so sweet.
Okay, so
Alright,
guys, I
guys,
know
we
we
are
have been busy, but you know, we gotta get our tacos spruced up, and that was a part of the whole thing is fixing them ourselves. So that's what's up, right?
On your mark.
We're wasting our precious
Take
All right,
Here's
I'm
Don't
done.
eat yet.
I'm not.
You already bit it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay,
trying to
that's fine. Your plate better fall.
Get started.
Okay,
I've
y'all
been
ready?
waiting.
Y'all pick up what y'all wanna
We're gonna
bite
eat
first.
Yep.
Okay, so here we go, guys. We're about to do our thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna move that down for just for a second.
Nothing in front of nobody's face. Is it?
That's what I was trying to make sure. Is it clear? Clear opening?
Clear.
Clear. Okay.
Alrighty.
All right, guys. Y'all ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's do this.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Okay.
But the sour cream is so delicious.
Let's do one more.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, y'all can just hold them to your mouth or whatever. Okay, ready? Go. Make sure that eye's in the thumbnail. Okay, I think we good. Okay. I think we good.
Yum, this is one of petite.
We got no napkins.
On the floor, yeah.
Do y'all need a napkin?
Yeah. Take naps.
Yes, please.
Y'all did good with that. Pass it on down.
In a row, thank you.
How are we supposed to take
Pass
naps?
it on
without
around.
napkins?
Where's your other piece? Like you can do something with that. There you go. And there you go.
All right, got my bib on.
Come on.
You dropping crumbs and cheese all on the floor, hon.
No, I just got a little bit of a tuck in my leg.
Okay.
You can scoot your plate over some over in front of you.
Ooh, guys, it's so good.
Scoot over this way, yeah.
Scooch.
I'll be the lady in the restaurant with the napkin in my lap.
Okay, all right.
Y'all eat over your plates. Eat over your plates.
Did a monkey get out of his cage?
Did it catch you?
Yeah.
What's she spilling?
That wasn't it.
I dropped a little bit of my meat.
Oh, okay.
You good?
Okay.
You good? It
My
mixed my whole
invention is
napkin.
delicious.
Y'all know how tacos can be. Jumping a roll right on out of there. You know?
My invention is tasty.
Yeah, y'all look at it.
Yeah, you like it?
Show
You
that,
good?
show that to the camera.
That's really different.
Show your taco to the camera. She got potato salad in there, guys. A potato salad, soft taco. That's way different.
Yeah, that's
You want like this?
yeah.
Here's my soft one.
Guys, I have two soft ones.
Ah.
I think that is an interesting taste, but the potato salad is good. So in between that, wrap like that.
While we're eating, let's go play Would You Rather.
I can't believe everybody got potato salad in their place. Y'all want a potato salad with y'all tacos? I have never seen potato salad and tacos together before in my life.
Well, it works tonight.
But I mean, it's okay. It's different. I mean, that's fine.
Would you rather what?
The food scientist.
Play the game or not in the plan?
Okay.
Would you rather eat tacos or pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Would you rather
Pizza.
lick a homeless person's foot or
Wait a minute, y'all.
Yeah.
or
Say what?
step on a tire?
That's easy.
Okay, this belongs to me.
It's kind of messed up, man.
It's actually some Would You Rather on YouTube.
Okay. Well. I don't know about that one.
Yeah, that's a little risque. Bishop, we said that turn. If you add regular stuff, you know.
Would you rather fall?
That's a burp right there, guys. One good burp.
You drink
I got
Kool-Aid.
one.
Y'all heard my burp?
Yes.
I didn't hear that. It was too soft.
Can't help it.
I don't want to be the only one burping.
It's a
No,
little airy.
I'm not saying I'm just messing with you. Because I know you couldn't help it. You heard something? How you do? Where was it at?
It sounds like a big crash.
I did hear something.
Y'all heard something? I ain't heard nothing.
I know.
I heard something right now. That's why I heard it just now.
Y'all hear something?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, no book.
Amen. Say it, Mike, please. My
Look at
guacamole.
the rat coming.
Perhaps she finally climbed her way out of there.
Don't say that. That ain't no joke.
We hearing things, guys.
My guacamole taco.
Mm.
You don't know if she did that though. She'd be crying.
Yeah.
Laugh.
Whew.
Oh,
That's
Across from the stove.
this is so good.
Now you ate your food up, okay? What's you looking for?
Now, what you reaching for?
Oh. Now I love potato
Yeah,
salad.
don't eat that all up.
I'm not.
Okay. What else? What you gonna do?
Just needed a
Didn't
side.
you have a potato salad in your
You
taco?
needed a side. You had a side, but you put it in your taco.
Yeah, just
Hmm.
you know, just
Okay.
yeah,
You, okay. That's a lot of potato salad.
Ooh, the food is good, y'all. We in our zones tonight.
We're munching our faces off.
For real.
In our food zone. They say this is life water. This water is life.
You didn't have a burp, huh?
Nope.
I had one burp.
Couldn't. I didn't even hear it.
I had 0 burps.
It was kind of airy like Miriam's.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm thinking. Miriam, she's really trying.
Yeah, she is. Oh. All right, hard taco. Here we go.
Taco.
Taco, taco, taco. Taco, taco. Potato, potato. Okay? Okay? Okay, spell check.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
It sounds like we're outside or in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
One
Could
second.
be the oven. I don't know. I turned it off though.
Yeah, it's the oven.
I just needed 1 second to swallow. Now it's time to swap drinks.
I love when I run into this
Can you pass
sour
me that
cream.
one,
It's so
please?
good with the rest of the stuff.
Guys, I put some potato salad. It's on my
Can you
taco.
pass me that water, please?
Now
Oh, yeah,
tell
I'm
me,
sorry about
No,
that.
she only had potato
now
Yeah, that's
tell me
all-
how that tastes with the meat.
salad.
Yeah, that sour cream just does everything for me. And the guacamole.
guys.
I like both of them together.
Mm-hmm.
That does a lot.
Okay, I'm finna buy it.
There is some humor between guacamole.
Maybe one day I'll try the potato salad.
No, that's good.
It's good. I can tell because what I'm doing is I'm not putting it in the taco, but I'm eating it with it. Like when I take a bite of this and I eat the potato salad, I can tell it tastes really good.
All of them?
Woo!
This stuff right here was the bomb.com.
Bomb.com.
Mine.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Woo, I'm straight. 3 tacos later, and I'm good.
Mm-hmm. Fat. Don't look at my fat.
You're not fat, Mom.
You're not exactly.
Don't you hate when you bite your lip?
Oh God, don't make me think about it. Cause
I
it's
bite
like
my lip down.
when somebody make you think about it and you end up doing it. You be
I
like,
know, right?
I
I'm
bite
like, oh my
tongue
God,
so
I
often.
wasn't trying to. It's like it's so good, you just end up biting your lip.
I bite my tongue so often.
uh-huh.
My tongue should be red.
I bite my gum sometimes. Like
I've
that.
done that.
I'm like, ooh. And you be trying to hold it in.
Like that water?
Yes.
You got my napkin. I kind of actually.
Thank you.
Oh, excuse me, that's mine. Ugh, that was
It didn't get on your headphones. Honey.
that was definitely a relief, guys. All right, guys. Well, it looks like I think she really wanted to. That's a really
Yes, that
wanted
sounds like
to.
a scratch tape.
It did sound like a scratch
It's
tape.
like someone that was transforming.
Yeah.
It did.
So, okay, so got a little water going on, guys, but it's all great.
Yep.
And that up right quick.
My sis, it was able to get it broken.
Alrighty.
What? That wasn't me.
We ate good. That was so delicious. I'm
Yes,
still
it
eating.
was.
The girls are done. So none of
Yeah.
I mean, Celia
So for the most part, everybody
Mama,
pretty
poop
much
that.
finished.
Queen
So-
Lily have a little bit of potato salad left.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, we really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. We'll be back again, guys, together, okay? Eventually, so stay tuned. And make sure that you guys give us a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up, guys. Okay?
Thumbs up and
Show
love.
some love. Love on that like button, guys, okay?
Karate chop,
And
that's
make sure that you guys karate chop that subscribe button, okay?
Pound.
Yes. Make sure you comment, guys, what you guys think, if you enjoyed it and everything. Sorry we didn't have a lot of burps. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. That don't go so well all the time.
0%
Okay.
for me.
So, anybody think they want to try one more time?
I'll
See if
try.
they get one out.
I
Alright.
tried enough.
Okay.
Zero
That's fine. You don't have to do any more.
I was like,
Okay. So, Queen Amy's gonna try.
It's not coming out.
Finally,
Okay,
my
so-
first one.
You did something?
My first
Yes,
one.
you did.
I did not even hear it.
Yes, you did.
I heard something, but it was so light, I guess, from right here.
My first one.
But it's okay. She tried, so I don't know if you guys. I don't know.
Heard it.
Yeah, nobody really heard it, so I don't know. I don't think you guys heard it. I didn't. I heard something in my ear, but I didn't know it was Queen Nana.
My first
Okay,
one.
so again, guys, thank you to all our subscribers, new and older subscribers. We appreciate all of you. We love you all, and we're gonna see you guys next time. Y'all take care. Peace, love, and light. This is your girl Queen Simi, and I am out.
Queen Amy out.
Queen Gabby out.
ow.
Queen and a half.
Wait,